In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp web extension on Google Chrome. We'll start right on your computer. Open Google Chrome. It's important to use Chrome for this process because we're grabbing the extension from Google's official marketplace, which helps keep things secure and up to date. In the address bar, type Chrome Web Store and press Enter. On the results page, click the official link that goes to chrome.google.com/webstore. If you see other sites trying to look like the store, skip them and stick to the official one for safety. Inside the Chrome Web Store, use the search box to look up Web for WhatsApp. In the results, find the extension named Web for WhatsApp and open its page. Before installing, take a moment to review a few details. Check the star rating, the number of users, recent update date, and the developer name. Those signals help confirm you're installing a trusted, actively maintained tool rather than a lookalike. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear explaining the permissions the extension needs. Read through those so you know exactly what access it requests. If you're comfortable, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in the background. You should see a confirmation message, and an icon for the extension may appear near the top right of the browser. Next, log into your WhatsApp account through the extension. If it doesn't open automatically, click the extension's icon to launch it. You'll land on a screen with a QR code for WhatsApp Web. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings or the menu, choose Linked Devices, tap Link a Device, and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your computer. After a moment, your chats will sync, and you'll be signed in on Chrome via the extension. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure your phone has an active internet connection during the initial link. That helps the sync complete quickly. If the QR code won't scan, increase your screen brightness and ensure the code is fully in frame. If you ever need to sign out, you can unlink the browser from linked devices on your phone. And don't worry about updates. Chrome handles extension updates automatically. That's all there is to it. You opened Chrome, went to the official Chrome Web Store, searched for Web for WhatsApp, added it, confirmed the permissions, and logged in using the QR code. You're ready to manage your WhatsApp messages right from your browser. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined workflow.